Hello and welcome to another video presented by Ignite Network Solutions. My name is Brad Murphy. Ignite Network Solutions is an information technology consulting firm located in Cleveland, Ohio. They provide IT and network solutions throughout Northeast Ohio and Western Pennsylvania. Hi there. In today's video, we're going to discuss one of my favorite websites for installing software. It's called Ninite Com. And it is a great resource where they offer installations for a lot of the most commonly used software in the Windows world. To get to Ninite.com, you can go up to the address bar and type in their URL, which is www.ninite.com, or you can just do a Google search for Ninite, and that will take you to their website. Click on the link, and here you could see a list of programs that Ninite.com supports. I like this for numerous reasons. First off, all I have to do is put check marks in with all the programs that I want to install on my computer, and then I click Get Installer, and I just have to download one file and it will go through and automatically install all the programs that I want. Another reason I like this, and the reason that I suggest people go to this website versus going to Adobe's website or Java's website, is that they automate the install process for people, which means that they don't add other third-party programs on your computer when you install the software. An example would be if you go to Adobe's website to download Adobe Reader. If you're not careful, Adobe Reader also installs third-party programs from McAfee or toolbars from Ask.com. And you got to be careful when you install these programs that you don't accidentally install malware or viruses or spyware, things along those lines, because these companies that offer free utilities, they try to generate revenue by adding in these installers. A classic example is Foxit Reader, which I recommended to a lot of clients in the past, and they now offer conduit search with their installation, and if you're not careful, you get that installed on your computer. It really spies on your habits and puts advertisements in there and manipulates search results, so it's not a good thing. And that's the problem with a lot of software in the Windows world, especially free software, is that you never know what you're getting, and if you're not careful what you're clicking on during the install process, you could end up with a lot of stuff that you just don't want on your computer. So that's why Ninite is great, because they strip out all that. There's no chance of accidentally clicking on and installing software that will do malicious things on your computer. So an example for this video, I'm going to go ahead and install Adobe Reader by putting a check mark in the Adobe Reader box. And then I also want to put the Java runtime environment on my computer, so I'm going to put a checkbox in that too. So these are two programs that will install when I click on the Ninite installer. So go ahead and click on Get Installer. It will go ahead and download a little program. If for some reason you don't see the window pop up, you can always click on retry the download, but mine popped up down here, so I'm going to click Run. And you see the Ninite installer starting up. You'll have to click yes for the user account control. And then if you want to show details, it shows you exactly what's going on behind the scenes here. So right now it's downloading the software. And as it installs one program, it does start downloading the next program too. So it does multitask the installs. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward to the end of this installation. Okay, so Java finished installing and Adobe Reader finished installing. We have OK reports for all the programs. So we know that everything installed okay. If there was a failure during the installation for any of these programs, we would have got a little failed message underneath status and why it failed. But in this case, everything installed okay. So this is installing software with Ninite Com. If they have the software you're looking for, highly recommend installing the software through them. If you're using it in a business environment, I do recommend the pro version of Ninite Com for automating the installations across your network and domain environments. Again, my name is Brad. If you have any questions or comments, leave me a comment in the comment area below or email me at info@igniteNS.com. Thank you.